Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the PreSonus AudioBox USB 96 25th Anniversary Edition. Whether you're a budding musician, a podcaster, or just someone who loves to dabble in audio recording, this compact, powerful interface might just be what you need. Let's get into the details. First off, this little beauty is designed for simplicity and high performance. It features two combo mic/instrument inputs with Class A preamps that provide crystal clear audio, perfect for recording guitar and vocals simultaneously. Plus, the plus 48V phantom power ensures your condenser mics are ready to go. One of the standout features is its maximum sampling rate of 96 kHz at 24-bit. This means you get professional studio quality sound right at your fingertips. The zero-latency monitoring with mix control allows you to blend your live inputs with the playback from your computer, making it super easy to nail those perfect takes. MIDI enthusiasts, you're covered too. The traditional 5-pin MIDI I/O lets you connect your favorite MIDI gear effortlessly. This is ideal for integrating keyboards, drum machines, and other controllers into your setup. Portability is key, and the AudioBox USB 96 delivers. It's bus-powered via USB, so no need for an external power supply. Just plug it into your laptop and you're ready to record anywhere. Its sturdy steel chassis ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel and daily use. Software is where this interface truly shines. It comes bundled with Studio One Artist, a DAW that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. The software is packed with features like unlimited tracks, real-time audio stretching, and a host of effects and virtual instruments. Plus, the Studio Magic plugin suite adds even more tools to your audio arsenal, including plugins from top developers like Arturia, iZotope, and more. User reviews highlight its ease of use and clear sound quality. Many appreciate its compact size, making it ideal for small home studios or mobile recording setups. However, some users did mention the lack of RCA inputs and occasional noise issues, but these seem to be minor drawbacks considering its overall performance. To sum it up, the PreSonus AudioBox USB 96 25th Anniversary Edition is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to get serious about their recordings without breaking the bank. Its combination of high-quality audio, robust build, and comprehensive software package makes it a standout in its price range. You will find the Amazon's link on the description of this video.